Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of workout sets with the best navy blue option on the market. We're talking about the OLCHEE Women's Workout Sets 2-piece. Seamless acid wash yoga outfits, shorts and crop top matching gym athletic clothing set. This 2-piece workout set is a must-have for your activewear collection. It features a seamless acid wash fabric that is of premium quality and won't fade over time. The material is wear-resistant, lightweight, and gentle on the skin, making it super comfy to wear. It also offers a 4-way stretch, allowing for freedom of movement during your workouts. The set includes a short-sleeve crop top and high-waist shorts, both designed with ribbed texture at the waist and cuffs to stay in place during exercise. The high-waist design offers tummy control and a butt lift, providing a slim fit look and support for your body curves. This navy blue workout set is perfect for a variety of activities such as workouts, yoga, jogging, gym sessions, Pilates, dancing, climbing, and more. You can also style these pieces with your favorite jackets, coats, and blouses for a versatile look. And there you have it, the OLCHEE Women's Workout Sets 2-piece. Seamless acid wash yoga outfits, shorts and crop top matching gym athletic clothing set in the best navy blue color. Don't miss out on adding this stylish and functional set to your activewear collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.